Good morning, everyone. On your screen is a picture of a dog and its owners. Owners looking really happy, and the dog also looking really happy. Now, there are profound lessons to be learned from our loyal companions, the dog. You see, my friends, a dog pure and unconditional love stems from their lack of judgment towards us. Unlike humans, dogs don't harbor a complex relationship with themselves, hence avoiding issues of self-esteem or body image concerns. In the dog's world, even the ugliest dog is content, as the concept of self-perception and division between me and myself does not exist in their world. So this inherent simplicity and unity within a dog's being contributes to their consistent state of joyfulness. Now, have you ever noticed how a dog welcomes you back as if you have been gone for ages, even if it's just for a short absence? This boundless happiness and excitement upon your return highlight the dog's ability to live fully in the present moment, free from self-consciousness. A dog's happiness is rooted in the absence of a self-concept. They embody a state of pure existence where life itself is good. If dogs could speak our language, trust and believe, their message would revolve around gratitude for the present moment. A simple request for food, a walk, and they are contented with that. So let us take a cue from our canine companions, my friends, and embrace the simplicity, presence, and the joy they effortlessly exude. In a world often clouded by self-doubt and overthinking, dogs remind us of the beauty of being fully present and appreciating life's simplest pleasures. So in closing, my friends, may we learn from the wisdom of dogs and strive to cultivate a similar sense of contentment and gratitude in our own lives. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.